All right, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something neat for you. I brought in the cheapest foam cannon I could find. It's $10 on Amazon. Now, I'm not into cheap foam cannons. Obviously, I got nice ones right here. That's what I use. But I did want to take a risk and say, man, if I find the cheapest foam cannon, how does it compare? Because everybody always asks, man, is it worth the money to get these expensive foam cannons? You know what? We're going to answer that today. So right off the bat, man, this thing came, the box is totally blown open. I mean, we're lucky if everything's in there. All right, so everything fell out so far. It looks like everything's there. It comes with a standard bottle. Now it does have that narrow top on the top, man. None of us like that. That's hard to get product in and out of. That kind of sucks. I'm used to this larger mouth right here, man. That one's great. It's easy to put stuff in and out. Screws on super easy. So right away, I'm going to give it a dink on that top entry point into the bottle there. Now, one of the things I did like about this, it does have a decent looking, upper portion of it. It's all brass. It's got a stainless steel quick disconnect. It's got this end piece right here. It opens and closes and gives you a real good thin margin there that's going to do some good foam. I'm pretty sure of it. All right, so other than that, it's all brass components and I mean, it feels like it's built decent. It's got a standard plastic hose. Nothing special here. We'll go ahead and put that on. That's pretty much it. Then it screws onto the bottle. $9.99. I mean, if it does anything, we'll be pretty stoked with it. All right, so it also came with, directions, but this is what they say. Boil body, Ken leaner. I mean, come on, we know what to do with this, but that's not gonna work. And it came with 5 different tips for your spray nozzle. Now, I don't know the orifice size on these. I don't plan on using these at all. But, man, I gotta say, they threw those in there too. Okay, so let's cut right to the chase. We're gonna be using the Adams Mega Foam. You guys know how much I like this. This has been awesome. This is just to keep it standard. So we'll go with 2 ounces in the Mega Foam. And we'll grab our handy dandy funnel because, man, there's no other way to get it in that little tiny top. Pour it in. All right, and there you have it. Now we'll go ahead and put some water in it. All right, it's filled up a good amount, so let's go ahead and just give it a quick shake. And put it together. We'll start with it on full plus. Everybody asks this too. What setting do you use, Jeremy? I like to use it wide open here, so full plus on the amount. And we'll start out with somewhere around 3/4 of the way closed. All right, so we're gonna be firing this baby up through the Krenzla. So man, we expect some good results, man, because that Krenzla kicks some serious butt ski, man. You know it does. And let's get out there on the truck and see what it'll do. Yeah. All right, so that did a decent job foaming. I'm not gonna beat this thing up too much, man. What do you want for $10? But I have to say, man, if you're on a budget and you need to get some foam on your vehicle, this thing just might do the job. I mean, I'm actually a little bit impressed with it, all things considered. But, my heart goes with the more expensive model, of course. But this is it, man. Looks pretty good. All right, so the $10 foam cannon. What did I think? Overall, man, I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Bottle quality is nice and thick, hard plastic, all brass internal, stainless steel quick disconnect, solid plastic, nozzles highly adjustable. All in all, it's decent, man. For $10, I mean, what do you want? All right, so one of the things I found funny, I put it all the way to the plus side on the adjustment nozzle and nothing but water came out. That's the exact opposite of my other foam cannon. So I went all the way to the other side and quickly got some foam action. tuned it in nice with the nozzle here. Man, all in all, it produced some decent foam. Let's say I wanted to come in and I was a new detailer or a new person washing my car and I just wanted to try a foam cannon out and I didn't want to splurge and take the big plunge. I wanted to bring in an affordable option for you guys. This was the highest quality one I could find for under $10. That was my, my goal with this. And man, all in all, I'm pretty pleased with it. Now, doesn't matter what I think. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought about the foam cannon. Has anybody else used these $10 Amazon specials? And do you have anything to add down in the comments about it? All in all, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link down in the description for anybody that wants to purchase one of these. Man, you know I appreciate it. I always do. All right, guys, that's all I got. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.